Hi, welcome back. In this short video, I'll show you how to turn your table of numbers into a clean, professional column chart using Excel for the web, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along step by step. By the way, congrats and thanks to viewers who are following this series. This is the final lesson of it. A wall of numbers is hard to read, but a chart tells the story immediately. If you already have calculated, sorted, filtered, and formatted data, the last piece is visualization, and a column chart is a great place to start. First, the most important step is making the right selection. Most chart problems happen because the data wasn't selected correctly. Always include both the data and the labels. For example, if you have months in column A and sales in column B, click and drag to highlight the whole block, including the headers, for example, A1 through B13. If you leave out the headers like month or sales, Excel won't know what to label the axis or the legend. With the data selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Look for the Charts group and click the Column Chart icon. From the drop-down, choose Clustered Column, usually the first option under 2D column. Excel will create the chart instantly and place it over your worksheet. If the chart covers your data, move it to a clear spot. Click on a blank white area inside the chart border, then hold the mouse button and drag the chart where you want it. To resize, click the chart once to select it, then drag one of the small circles on a corner. Hold the Shift key while you drag if you want to keep the chart's proportions equal. When the chart is selected, you'll see a Contextual Chart tab appear on the ribbon. Use the chart title to add or change the main title. For example, change sales to 2024 revenue. Add axis titles to label the bottom axis with months and the side axis with currency. Move the legend to the top, bottom, or side so it doesn't block your data. You can also change the chart type if a column chart isn't the best fit. Excel lets you switch to a line chart, a pie chart, or other types with a couple of clicks. Choose the one that makes your data easiest to understand. You've made it to the final lesson of the Excel Beginner series. So well done. You've gone from a blank grid to a working dashboard that shows your story at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what problem you want me to solve in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.